In May of 2017, it was actually Memorial Day weekend, we had a family crisis. It was that same weekend that I had all the plumbing in my house went, and I had to call my plumber, and I was crying hysterically when he got there, and he said, "What's wrong?" I told him what happened, and he said, "You need to call Joe Marone now." Joe picked up on Memorial Day weekend and told me to come to his office the next day.
Most of the time when someone comes here, if they can come here, because usually they are so harmed from the injury, they're usually hospitalized or confined to their home. But regardless of that situation, the person obviously has suffered a devastating impact in their life, not only to them personally, but to their loved ones and to their family. And it has not only an impact on them individually, but also economically to the family. The family obviously needs to continue to survive as far as financially, and we have to come up with ways to see that that continues while we're fighting for that person's case.
During this 2-year journey, I think that we've become friends. He knows that patience is not a virtue of mine, and this was very scary for me because my family member also was diagnosed with mental illness, and so I felt like we were fighting battles on so many different fronts. And he was just like a brother. He and the office knew when I would call crying or when I was very upset or scared that they would allay my fears.
When you come into this firm and you hire me, I'm just not going to look to do whatever is out there and to finish the case. I'm going to make sure that you get justice, that the case is put together in a way where we can not only achieve an excellent result, but get the recovery that you need, depending on how bad the person is injured, whether it's permanent, for the rest of their life, whether they have died, whatever it could possibly be. We will make sure that the family gets the necessary recovery they deserve. I mean, that's the reason you hire me.
I was amazed at how poised and calm and proficient Joe was in navigating a very complex legal system from both on the criminal and the mental health side, and left no stone unturned. If you don't have the right attorney, you're just going to be another client. And I never ever felt like I was his #1 client.